Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Candice. For those of you who are new to my channel, you can always call me Candy. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel. Before you go anywhere, please be sure to hit the subscribe button and put on the notification bell so you'd always be in the know when I post a new video. So y'all will be seeing a video every day this week from me with 5 different makeup looks, and it's basically in celebration of my 29th birthday. If y'all don't know, my birthday is on the 10th of November, which is on a Saturday this year, so I'm super ecstatic about that, and it will be the last year that I would be in my 20s. So I just wanted to celebrate with you guys by doing a makeup look every single day this week for, you know, that a big occasion. I would like to develop a list of 30 things that I want to do before I'm 30. Nothing outrageous, but if you have any suggestions, please comment down below and let me know what are some things that I could put on my list. Oh, I'll bring you guys closer in. Today I'm starting off really simple with a natural glam look, and then we're gonna bring on the drama as the days go by. So stay tuned if you'd like to see how I beat this face into shape.
Oh baby, it's your birthday. Go baby, it's your birthday. Nyla Black man on your stereo. Trini in the dad and the big O. We the lead vibe, they ain't even know gas in the car. Vroom vroom when we touch road. And you give me the vibe. I wanna hold you tonight. Lord, just that look in your eye. Like you can't stop at all, just a drive all night. Rev that engine up, coming at you fast. I can't give you up, no me love your band. Pushing on, fill it up, writing on my class. This is me bad, but loving on my heart. Live it up like my birthday. Happy anniversary, celebrate every day, any day. 1, 2, we do what we want. Like oh na na, oh na na. We just making noise. Like oh na na, oh na na. I'm just living. Get the car, get the hair straight. Get the pink away, like it's celebrate. With my friends, so they know that we represent.
Live it up like it's
I want my cherry on top, 'cause I'm a little turned up. I want my very own cup, and you could bet it goes up. Tell the DJ don't stop, 'cause I'm a little turned. Every day's my birthday, baby. My birthday, my birthday.
Oye, mami.
Nyla, Ashantia. Look good anytime you step out and your body well nice and clean. Walk out from your nose so you're hot and you're tight up in your jeans.